Dude, I can't hit anything with this. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you guys go down below this video and click on that subscribe button. This evening, me and old Collin here, we just got done with that clip you saw, shooting the first little spot for some pigeons. We ended up with 2 pigeons. I am trying to use a youth 20 gauge. It's like a super short 20 gauge that I have, and I used it for some grouse hunting last year and stuff, and kind of liked it because it's so lightweight and short, and I have a ton of shells for doing stuff like this. So I figured, why not? We'll bring the old 20 gauge pump youth gun and try to use that. But I haven't shot with it since last year, and as you saw there, the shooting was so brutal with that it wasn't even funny. I did not expect to shoot that poorly with that. So we have 2 pigeons down, and we have a few other spots to try. So this was the first spot. We've never shot this spot of silos, but we were driving truck today doing some farming, and we saw a ton of pigeons on it, so we figured, why not? We'll try it and see what happens. But me and Collin, we have a few other spots that are more loaded than this was. The next spot we're going to should be good. Last year we shot that spot, and we probably had like 200 pigeons come out of the silos, so it was absolutely insane, and we ran out of shells and had to start shooting our expensive steel shot waterfowl loads. I don't know why we did that at Pigeons, but it was just like so hectic and crazy and in the moment that we had to keep doing it. So we're gonna head to that spot next. We also have a few other spots, but pretty much we're just gonna be driving around to these grain bins and silos and shoot them that way instead of decoying them here this evening, because it's not really feeding time and this is the only way to really do it right now. So with that said, we're gonna pack all of our stuff up and we will see you all at the next spot. Dang, you already got the GoPro strapped up?
I wish I could. The first time experiencing us shoot, there's 5, I guess.
Yeah, yep.
No words for how many pigeons were in here.
Yeah, this is like, if this is anything like the first time, this is gonna be crazy. And we weren't even filming the first time because we didn't expect it. And then we just like shoot a couple shots and they just like kept coming, kept coming, kept coming. It was probably what, like a half an hour we're just standing there?
Yeah, it was.
And they're just trickling like
non-stop. Oh, there's one. There's
a few.
It just bounced from one side to the other, now it's flying out.
This is gonna get crazy.
This is.
You should have the cowboy hat on,
There's
brother.
one on top. I'm gonna set my camera up like right here.
Yeah, you should stop right here. Oh, that's a white winger too.
I'm stopping right here.
Alright, we shall. See you guys out there. Alright, so as you guys can see, we have 5 silos here and then 1 grain bin. And there's already 1 pigeon coming. These pigeons mostly sit in these silos, mostly this one and the end one, the 2 end silos. I don't know if there's any in the grain bin or not, but we're gonna see what happens here. Alright, well, I suck at shooting with this thing. Yeah. Sure? Let's do it. Oh my God! Nice. Collin got one with the 20. Me and you are. Oh. I'm out of shells. Oh. I'm out of shells. You're on the fly? If not, that's all of them. Okay. Oh my God! Oh! Dude! Someone's gonna fly out of here. I might have to get the 12 gauge. I can't figure this thing out.
You want to trade?
Yeah, want to try this? All right, I can't hit anything with the 20 gauge. I'm gonna try Collins.
You only have 7 shells?
No, I have more, but
I need all of them.
all right. There we go. Finally. The 20 gauge that's 2 feet long is not it. Oh. Oh, dang. I actually got that, bro. Oh, got it. All I needed was the 12 gauge. That thing's hard, bro.
Oh my goodness. I don't want to go over your head.
Oh, jeez.
Dude, I hate this sucker. This thing sucks.
It's... Watch this poke. Dude, look at the feathers that... Oh, it's going down.
Ready?
Yep. Oh. Nice. Collin got one with the 20. Me and you are... Oh. I have a couple shells yet, if you need them. No way. There we go. There we go.
Oh God.
There we go.
I got 4 shots.
I got a couple over here.
All right. Oh my God.
There we go. There we go.
I got 2 shots.
Oh.
Come on, shells.
Dude, this is a straight nesting ground. Oh.
Come on, shells.
All right, well, I'm sorry this video isn't gonna be like the best because me and Collin are very crunched on time right now. We have literally like another 30 to 45 minutes left to shoot here. So we're headed to the next spot. That spot was pretty insane. I would say that was close to what it was last year. I mean, not quite, but
I feel like there's more last year.
yeah, there was probably more last year, but that was still really freaking good. We were here for what, 25, 30 minutes about? I couldn't hit like anything with that 20 gauge, so then me and Collin luckily switched. Thanks for letting me use the 12 gauge, Collin. And then I finally started hitting some stuff. I think Collin connected to 2, maybe 3 with the 20 gauge when it was real hectic there. And we shot a few more pigeons. So with that said, we're headed to the next spot and hopefully it's as good as this one. We'll see you there. It's not really ideal, but we'll see if I can hit something with it, I guess. Alright, you go in Debo's pigeon coop.
Get out, man! I'm in Debo pigeon coop, and the only person could get me out was my mom.
Good luck. Good luck, brother. Oh. Oh, 2 for 2.
Oh, it didn't cycle. Oh, nice.
Nice shot. Oh,
I'm out of ammo.
got it.
Nice.
Jeez. Yeah, that was a tough shot behind your head.
I I'll let you get these last ones.
Oh. Jeez, Collin.
Now that's a lot of damage!
Oh. Oh. Third shot. It took me that many, dude.
That's it.
Oh. This is taking me a lot of shots. All right, spot number 3. I have 3 birds in my hand. I think Collin has 4 or 5 with him. So that was a nice little shoot there. We're gonna unload our guns here, and we got a little bit of light left, so we're gonna try one more spot for you guys.
What up, shooter?
Nothing. Hanging out at my aunt's.
Hey,
You better be flying by your aunts.
wanna come meet us to grind some pidge?
We ain't got no time for Dustin. Well, we do, but we can't stop. We got like 15 minutes, and we got like a 5-minute drive to the spot, and like a 2-minute walk to the spot. 85 on the gravel road, no biggie.
I ain't no mathematician, but 86 miles an hour
I ain't
and a
going
5-minute drive
I ain't going
means we's gonna go.
I ain't going 86 anymore. Motor Trend Truck of the Year.
Get out of my way. Get out. Get out of my way. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. That's it. All right. Make sure to get down. Oh, 12-point mule deer. Shall we get down? Get cut. Get cut. Consider them cut. Puffing on Pigeon and she calling me daddy. Oh, they got down. Is this the West Nile dance? Cut that! I'll cut it. Pull! Pull! I'm cutting them today. Do you have more shells? Oh. Nice shot. Dustin was reloading. I'm just like, boom, boom. Then I'm reloading. Dustin's like, you say it. Bow, boof. Thanks for that.
One was
spit.
like, bow! One was like, boof!
All right, well, unfortunately, I did not have time to get an outro. The mosquitoes were absolutely horrible, and then by the time we got out of there, it was pitch dark. But that is going to wrap up today's pigeon hunting video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you click that subscribe button and that like button down below this video, and we will see you all on the next one. See ya!